My name is Brinda, and basically, I'm an IT professional. My kid Nagasonakshi is studying here from KG. Now she is in grade 5. I would say parents grow along with kids right from childhood. So I can proudly say my kid, without any extra coaching or tuition, so she is able to score right from KG till 5 more than 90 plus percentage. So this is all from the teachers and management support, I would say. So I would like to highlight a few key points which I have noticed during the course of her learning phase. So right from KG till third, there was no homework being sent to the to the home, because like all the works are being done in the school, and we happen to see their works only during the PTA meeting. So this is how they were being learned, have a self learning, which will help them in their upper like secondary classes. Coming about the unit test, so none of the questions will be from book back or the classwork. So everything will be from in-depth lessons. So only when the kid is having a depth knowledge on the concepts, they'll be able to understand and answer the concept based questions. So this is how the kids are being trained, and in this way they are able to crack all the critical concept based questions in their upper classes. One other key feature which impressed me a lot is the library activity. So as we do in our childhood, they do take books for the read into the home, and after reading, during the submission, they are being asked to give a synopsis of the story, be it any language. In the same language, they have to give it in writing. So this induced the writing practice on their own, which improved the English, Tamil or Hindi vocabulary of the kids. So my kid is not from the Hindi background, but she always scores more than 85% in Hindi, which is very good according to me. Along with this, so Shraddha treats both curricular and extracurricular equally. So how I can prove is like they make kids participate in Olympiads. Will be many kids participate in the exams, and they also focus on festival based competitions like pot painting, dancing, singing, and fancy dress. Drama, movie based learning. So, these all will bring out the interpersonal skill of the kids. I would say, like, teachers are always reachable. So if you want to meet the teachers or the management, you can reach out anytime by booking an appointment. So they are reachable to hear any of our queries. So we get a monthly, quarterly review of them during the PTA, and it will help them to groom the kids. So I would like to thank the teachers and the management for having given a good education and the support to the parents as well. Thank you.